Joining us now is Erin Ursillo. She is the Director of Young Adult and Adolescent Programs at Butler Hospital. Erin, thank you so much for being with us today.
Oh, thank you for having me, Raina.
So, Care New England has opened for all its elective surgeries. I know at Butler Hospital, support groups have opened as well, but they just look a little different these days. Can you explain a little bit about that?
Yeah, thank you. The main difference right now, we still want to be here for our patients. We still want to offer group therapy as an optional level of care. The biggest difference really is that we're offering two choices when patients seek that level of care. They can either choose to come on site like they typically would have. We've arranged all of our group rooms to be safe to avoid any sort of exposure to COVID. Every patient that comes into the hospital will be screened at the door. Patients will be asked to wear masks. All staff are also screened at the door before arriving to work and are wearing masks. Group rooms have been spread out for a proper social distancing, and we're going to follow the governor's guidelines. So as of right now, groups will not be larger than a group of 5, which includes the leader. So if people want to be on site, they still absolutely have that option, and we're doing that in the safest way. The other option that we are offering is for people to join our programs virtually. We're using Zoom as our platform, and so far so good. Patients are utilizing that, and it's going quite well. So we're doing both ways.
Patients really seem to be open to this and doing well with it. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah, we were really, obviously everyone was very nervous to make the switch, I think, across the globe, but the change has been a positive one. Many patients are utilizing it. Technology has been tremendously helpful so that we can deliver that care at home. It's been helpful for anybody that is either under quarantine but needs to seek care, or people that are, fearing any sort of exposure. Perhaps they live with loved ones who are compromised. So that's been a really nice option to have.
Can you speak from your experience as a caregiver, what it's like to deliver care virtually?
Yeah, it was an adjustment, I will say, but the staff that we have here are outstanding. Everybody went in with gusto and were able to kind of make that switch. I think the difference really is just making sure that patients still feel that connection. So we've had to restructure our groups just ever so slightly to involve more direct questioning and almost like icebreakers to help people feel a little more comfortable. But the content delivers whether you're in person or virtually. I think the compassion and the care that we provide also delivers whether you're virtual or in person. So I think we were cautiously optimistic it was going to go well, and we've been just very pleased that it has from here forward. So it's been great.
Tell me a little bit about what you've heard from patients, some of their feedback.
Yeah, so I think we're hearing very similar things. We've had some patients who are brand new to seeking treatment at Butler Hospital who have felt that despite what we're all up against, I think, in the world, that the virtual treatment is translating for them. They do feel supported and connected. They are having therapy sessions, group therapy sessions, and physician visits, sometimes all in the same day, which is also a beautiful benefit of the virtual world. Yes, I think people are pleased. That's the feedback we're hearing so far. We've also had some patients that have been in our programs before, and obviously this is a really hard time for everybody in the world. So patients are coming back to seek almost like refresher treatment from us in our partial hospital programs and the IOP intensive outpatient programs. And they're ones that have experienced the program in person and virtually. So it's nice to see that they also feel we're doing a great job here as best as we all can to make people feel supported.
This is all wonderful information, and thank you so much for sharing. Erin Ursillo is the Director of Young Adult and Adolescent Programs at Butler Hospital. Erin, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.